Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Short on time? I have a quick gift card holder. Let's get started. Cut a sheet of cardstock 5.5 by 8.5. Then score the long side at 3 inches and 6.25 inches. Turn the piece as shown and angle cut from one point to somewhere halfway along the side before the score line. Burnish both score lines. Add strong adhesive such as tear-in tape to the sides of the angled piece. Remove the liners, fold up, and press in place. Ink and stamp the sentiment a little ways above the bottom edge. Insert your gift card, or cash, or check. Adhere one piece of 2 3/4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of patterned paper to the inside of the holder. Fold the top down and adhere the other piece to the front. Cut a snowflake die. Tie a wide glittery ribbon around the piece. Reverse tweezers are a great helping hand. Trim the ribbon ends. Thread the snowflake onto a thin ribbon. And knot it around the sparkly ribbon. We're almost done. Decorate the envelope flap with adhesive and a piece of patterned paper measuring 2.5 inches by 6 inches. Flip it over and use the flap as a guide to trim. For more inspiration and written directions, please visit my blog at. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!